So what we have here is a 1G shifter, and as you can see, too much play. That's not good. So we're going to replace it with this. So remove this panel and 14mm nut. Slide this off. Install one on the other side. Install the other one on the other side. Put the nut back together, and that's it. So now with the new bushings in place, you don't have that play. And there you go. I'm going to show you what I had left. And this is all I had left, which was on this side. This side had nothing. Nothing at all. Maybe it disintegrated. I have no idea. But this is all that was left. So, there you go, guys. If you got play like this, check your bushings and replace them, and then you're good to go.